Hello folks, this is Steve A.B. Coriel. We're going on a little adventure. Now this is the Deep River Bridge on US 64. We're actually in Franklinville, although Ramseur is just ahead. So the Deep River is under us. And here's the North Carolina Highway Historical Mark on the right. A guy named Redknapp, a regulator. That's pre-Revolutionary War. And I'm pulling in here. This company makes things for cooling towers at power plants. Now, why did I come here? You can see they're getting ready to ship some stuff. And I used to have to find a place to park here when they were doing this. And supposedly there was some parking down here on the Deep River Trail on this part of the Deep River in this end of Franklinville along US 64. But the other day when I was looking for something in Ramseur, looking with satellite view, I saw something strange. Now, you normally would come down and park in this little parking lot, and the trail would begin here to the left to go toward Ramseur, and would have come from Sandy Creek Bridge from the right, except the gate would always be closed. You see it says Deep River State Trail, but the gate's open. And what I saw on the satellite map was that instead of this being a grassy field, apparently it was a recent satellite view showing a parking lot which wasn't here a couple of months ago. Or at least the last time I came here, which was late last year. So I came down here to see this. And I think this is a great idea, because that little bit of parking there was never enough, and we were competing with the company up there in what's amount to their parking lot. Now, if you've seen videos last year where I got out and I walked down that way under the 64 bridge to the other side where they built the new very strong bridge over the Sandy Creek. Now Sandy Creek flows from right to left. It comes down from Ramseur Lake, which is dammed, Sandy Creek dammed, up that way. Uh-oh. I see a lot of trees lying down. Hang on. I came down here now you can see to the right there's a picnic table, and if you look over to the far left there's one over there. Those have been here a couple of years. Hang on. I want to show you Sandy Creek. I'm interested to see what has happened down here. Let me get out. All right, I had to do something with the camera. Whoop. Let's see if I can do this without my cane. Now this used to be a boat ramp a long time ago. I came here more than a decade ago and the boat ramp was no longer in use. But that's the reason for this here. And the reason why I'm coming down here, now, the boat ramp presupposed Sandy Creek would be, we assumed it would be this high. Unfortunately, we're looking into so there's a tree that has fallen down. You want some lumber? You want to cut that up, haul it out of here, and split it for your winter furnace in the wood-burning stove? Okay, down there at the far bank is the Deep River. This is Sandy Creek. All right. I'm just showing you I know where I am. It's tiring me without my cane. This is beautiful. I'm glad they have built this parking lot. This is terrific because it means it will be more convenient for people to come here. I think the lack of parking was a discouragement. With the bridge that has been constructed there across Sandy Creek, finally. All right. This is something you all are familiar with. This path, the Deep River Trail, and then it goes down that way along the river, was the railroad that went to Ramseur and ended at the Cotton Warehouse and the Round Table, which I've talked about recently. So just like when I take you to Riverside Park, this in fact was the railroad. Let me get back in the car. And up away, I'm going to turn this off now. Whoop. Somebody's just coming in. Okay, I'm getting back in the car. And you'll see that somebody has just driven in. Presumably for them to go for a walk or a hike, which is what the beauty of this trail is. It's you can get your walking exercise, bicycling exercise in a beautiful environment. I love it. I am so happy about the Deep River Trail. See, somebody just came in. Now when we came in, we were facing toward the 64 bridge across the Deep River, and if you went down that direction, you end up in Franklinville, then you end up in Cedar Falls, then it turns north and goes all the way up to Climax to join what was the main rail line, which I think is still up there. Now, this gate normally in the past would have been closed, but you've got to have it open now. Now, I'm just going to do this for a moment. So yes, this was the railroad bed, what you see there. The railroad went along this bank of the Deep River. It had to cross one or two more small bridges and go past the dam and finally end up in Ramseur, next to what is today the Brooklyn Avenue and Depot Street, junction of Depot Street and no, that's wrong. Actually, that one that goes up the hill is Liberty. Pardon me. Not Liberty. Is that right, or is it Depot Street? Excuse me, I'm getting old. Anyway, this is going to work out great. It's going to be more convenient for this company here, which has been in business for as long as I've been here. And like I say, now, you understand in those tall cooling towers, my understanding is these things here that are rolled up are hung down in there to facilitate condensation. Let's see if this person's coming in to go to the Deep River Trail or to go to work. They might be going to the evening shift, and they've got, oh yes, here come, see somebody just came in. Where are they going? They're going down there. Oh, this gives me a feeling of how busy it is. By the way, if you're looking for a job in this area, I see there's a sign over here. See the red, see it right there? I'm not promoting anything, I'm not recommending anything. Now hiring evening shift. Tower Components Incorporated. Technically they're in Franklinville. Okay, I need to head to Ramseur. Traffic is let up, it's going to let me out. Just thought I'd give you this. See, now here's the sign for entering Ramseur. So it's right on the border on 64. Steve A. y'all. Just out here adventuring, having fun. Saying see you in 73.